For Pawanmuktasana, wind relieving position, lie down on your back. Take a few moments just to relax on the floor. Let your body weight completely release into the floor. Then bring your right knee towards your chest, interlacing your fingers on your knee. Keep your right leg, right foot relaxed and engage the left thigh. Keep the left leg stretched. Imagine pressing a wall with your left foot. So you can stay here. This is already massaging your digestive organs and helps to release gas from the intestines. Or you can bring your head towards your right knee. Make sure not to tense your neck. Keep the shoulders down and relaxed. And breathe normally. Then repeat on the other side. Keep the left leg and left foot relaxed completely. Right leg engaged. Imagine pressing a wall with your right foot. Gently pull your left leg towards your chest. Keep the shoulders relaxed. And you can lift your head, approaching your knee with your head. Stay a couple of breath cycles here. And then you can repeat with both legs. Gently hug your knees towards your chest and lift your head. Imagine squeezing yourself a little bit. Try to be as small as possible. And release the position.